Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube code 369. Now we are going to see how to create a React app. Okay. So far we have seen front-end libraries of Bootstrap, jQuery, SASS. And from today we are going to see React. Okay. And in this class we are going to see how to create a React app. And from the next class we will be learning React. Okay. And this is a full stack development course and today is class 71. And before installing React, before creating a React app, what you have to install is node.js and npm. Okay, you can refer other resources and you can easily install those things. Okay, because they are very easy to install. And after completing the installation of node.js and npm, and now you can install the React app. Okay, so the prerequisite is you have to first of all install node.js and npm and then create the React app. Okay. So the core editor which I am using is Visual Studio Code, and open it and make it empty. Okay. Then go to the terminal at the top and click new terminal. Now type npm install, okay, -g create React app. Okay, press enter. So everything will be taking time. Okay, sometimes I will pause the video and record it, so for you it will be taking time, so you have to wait. Okay, that's it. So after this has come, what you have to do is you have to give npx create React app, and you have to give the app name. Okay, I'm giving the app name as my app and press enter. So this is where some time will be taking. Okay, please wait. So that's it. You can see a message cd myapp npm start. Okay. So what we have to give here is cd myapp. Press cd and then leave some space and then give myapp. Okay. Press enter. Then what you have to do is, if you are having a MacBook, you can type pwd. Okay. Or otherwise, if you are having Windows, type dir here. Okay, dir and press enter. and then give npm start. Okay, here what they have said, here they have given npm start, so give npm start. Okay, press enter. Now you can see react script start. Okay, so wait until the process is completed. So now you can see starting the development server. Okay, and you can see here in the Chrome it is showing like flash. Okay, so I'm opening the Chrome, it is loading, and you can see localhost colon 3000. Okay, so now you can see this react symbol is rotating. Okay, so this is the react app in the browser. Okay, so whatever you are changing, whatever the code you are writing in the react app now can be displayed in the browser. Okay, so that's it, and open your folder, VS Code folder, and you can see my app is created in here. Okay, in the VS Code editor. Here you can see my app is created in the folder of your VS Code. Okay, in your VS Code folder, and you can open src here, and you can see app.css, app.js, index.css, index.js, all these things. Okay, and open index.js, and now you can see some things are here. Okay, and in this index.js only we are going to write the code. Okay, so remember it. And if I close it, okay, if I close this, again if I have to open that, what I have to do? Again if I have to open that, what I have to do? So go to your app name. Okay, that is my app, and right click on it and open in integrated terminal. Okay, and you can see this is showing VS Code folder, my app. Okay, app name. So it is showing the folder name and the app name. Okay, now what you have to give is give dir. Okay, if you are having Windows, and give pwd if you are having MacBook. Okay, press enter, and then you have to give npm start. Okay, so now you can see react script start. So now we can see again we have opened it. Okay, so what we have seen in this video is how to create a React app, and even if I close this browser, okay, this React app in the browser, again how to open, that is what we have learned it. Okay, so let us learn React from the upcoming videos. So now let us conclude this video. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos, friends. Thank you for supporting me. Please do subscribe. Thank you.